Laws of reflection. A reflection is made by shiny, polished and smooth surface. A ray of light falling on a body having a shiny, polished and a smooth surface alone is bounced back. This bouncing back of the light rays as they fall on the smooth, shiny and polished surface is called a reflection. The perfect reflection is made by a plane mirror. This is a plane mirror. One side is transparent and another one side is coated with aluminum substances. So this is made by a perfect reflection. Reflection involves two rays. One is incident ray and another one is reflected ray. The incident ray is light ray in a medium falling on the shiny surface of a reflecting body. Here we have to take a mirror and placed it on the floor. Then we have kept whiteboard in a perpendicular direction. Now we make it the laser light falls on the particular point of the mirror. That is called incident light. After falling on the surface of a mirror, it returns into the same medium, which is called reflected ray. Imaginary line perpendicular to the reflecting surface, mirror, at the point of the incident light ray is called the normal ray. Normal ray means it is the perpendicular line. It is separated the two divisions of incident angle and reflected angle. The relation between the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal is given as the law of reflection. It has two laws of reflections are there. The first one law is the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal at the point of the incidence all lie in the same plane. Here you can observe these three lines, incident line, this is reflected line, the perpendicular line which is called normal. These three lines are falls on the same plane. So this is the first law of reflection.
Second law of reflection. Second law of reflection is the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are always equal. Angle of incidence and angle of reflection are always equal. I equal to R. I means angle of incidence, R means angle of reflection. This is angle. Okay. So from this is the normal ray. Normal ray which is the perpendicular line. This is the incident ray. The light radiations falls on the mirror at a particular plane. So this is called the incident ray. So after getting the reflection, so the light ray passed through this way. So that's why it's called a reflected ray. So both these angles are same. So now we are going to do a small experiment for a second law of reflection. From this experiment, we can prove the second law of reflection. I equal to R. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. With the help of this protractor, we can calculate both the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection. From this experiment, I is equal to 40 degree. Listen, here angle of incidence I is equal to 40 degree approximately. R is equal to 40 degree. So I equal to 40 and R equal to 40. So that's why The second law of reflection is proved here. I is equal to R. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection.